Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you SST and the chapter's name is Air. So let's start our video. In this chapter we will learn about the composition and the properties of air, layers of atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a thick envelope of air called atmosphere. In order to study the atmosphere, scientists have divided it into 5 layers. Troposphere. This is the first layer of atmosphere just above the ground. Troposphere is where we live in and where most aeroplanes fly. The weather changes take place in this layer. Stratosphere. This is the second layer of atmosphere. The ozone layer is a part of stratosphere. The ozone layer absorbs harmful radiations from the sun and stops them from reaching Earth's surface. Jet planes fly in stratosphere. Mesosphere. This is the third layer of atmosphere from the Earth's surface. This is the coldest among all the atmospheric layers. Meteorites burn up in this layer while entering the Earth's surface. From the Earth, we can see them as shooting stars. Thermosphere. This is the fourth layer of atmosphere from the Earth's surface. Space shuttles fly in this layer. Exosphere. This is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. There is no air beyond this. The atmosphere is useful to us in many ways, like it contains oxygen, which is essential for the survival of living things. It also contains carbon dioxide, which is required for photosynthesis. It helps to maintain right temperature for the survival of living things. It has the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful rays of sun. Composition of air. Air is mixture of gases. It mainly consists of nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and other components such as carbon dioxide and other gases 1%. Air also contains small quantities of water vapor, dust and smoke. Nitrogen. It is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. Living things require nitrogen, but it cannot be taken directly from the air. Plants get nitrogen with the help of bacteria present in the soil. These bacteria fix the atmospheric nitrogen to different forms that can taken up by the plants. Nitrogen is also added to the soil by means of fertilizers. Human beings and animals get nitrogen from the plants and animal source of food. Oxygen. Oxygen is necessary for survival of living things. All living things need oxygen to breathe. Oxygen is also needed for burning. Green plants give out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide and other gases. The carbon dioxide question of the week. Write about the Chipko movement which had held in India. Is released into the atmosphere during breathing and burning. Plants use carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis. Other gases such as helium, neon, hydrogen, argon, krypton and ozone are also present in the air. Water vapor, dust and smoke. Air also contains a small amount of water vapor, dust and smoke. Heat from sun causes water to evaporate from the surface of seas, oceans, lakes, etc. The amount of water present in the air is called the humidity. It plays an important role in determining the daily weather. Air is used in burning, breathing, and also in the process of rusting. Objects made of iron get covered with a reddish brown color substance called rust. This happens when iron objects come in contact with air and water vapor present in the air. Properties of air. We know that air has weight and it occupies space. Let us do this simple activity to understand their properties. Aim. To show that air has weight. Materials required: 2 balloons, a needle, 2 pieces of thread, and a scale. So first we have to blow air into both balloons. Okay. Second step, tie the balloons with the help of thread to either side of scale. Lift the scale. Observe how the scale is positioned. Now brush one of the balloons with needle. Observe what happens. Observation: one lifting the scale it stays horizontal, but when one balloon is brushed, the scale tilts towards the balloon that is still intact. So by this activity we understand that balloon have weight. Okay. To know how air occupies space, we only need a balloon. So first we have to hold the balloon in our mouth and blow into it. Observe what happens. The balloon increases in size when you blow into it. So it proves that air occupies space. Because of its weight, air pushes everything around it in all directions. In other words, we say that air exerts pressure. This pressure is called the air pressure. Let us use a simple activity to show that air exerts pressure. To show that air exerts pressure, we need plastic cup and index card, means a card of cardboard. How to do it? Fill the plastic cup with water. Place the index card on the top of the cup. Hold the index card tightly against the mouth of the plastic cup and turn the cup outside down. Carefully remove the hand holding the index card in place. Observation: the index card does not fall. Reason is that the pressure of the air outside the plastic cup is pushing the card up. So this shows that air exerts pressure on an object. So friends, this was for today's video. We will meet in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment below the answer of the weekly question.